China just did something that no other country has managed to pull off. A Chinese robotics company has released a female humanoid robot named Mei Fei, priced at only $7,999, and the internet is already calling her a robot that can replace your wife. That claim alone has millions of people talking, sharing, and arguing online, but almost nobody is explaining what this robot actually does, how she compares to other humanoid robots on the market, or whether the price tag is even realistic once you look past the headline and the outrage it was designed to generate. That's exactly what today's video is about. We're breaking down the $7,999 robot everyone is talking about, but before we get to her, you need to understand the bigger picture. China isn't just building one affordable humanoid robot, it's mass-producing an entire lineup of female humanoid robots, each one designed for a different role in the home, at prices that Western companies simply can't match. Some are built purely for companionship, some are built to run your household, some are designed to protect it, and some blend several of these roles into a single machine, all coming out of factories that can scale production in ways smaller competitors elsewhere in the world simply cannot. So in today's video, we're counting down 10 Chinese-made female humanoid robots, ending with the one everyone is asking about. Mei Fei, the $7,999 model that sparked the replace your wife debate. Along the way, you'll see how each robot is priced, what she's actually built to do, and where the manufacturers cut corners to hit lower price points. By the end, you'll know exactly what this new wave of robots can do, what they still can't do, and whether the comparison to a human partner holds up at all once the marketing is stripped away.
I like to think of robots as the children of humanity. And like children, we are full of potential for good or evil.
1. Lumi Home, the budget household robot. Lumi Home was built with one goal: make housework disappear without breaking the bank. She can vacuum, mop, do laundry, wash dishes, and follow a cleaning schedule that adjusts itself based on how messy each room gets throughout the week. Instead of waiting for commands, Lumi tracks patterns in your home, noticing when the fridge is running low or when laundry has piled up, and quietly handles it before you even notice the problem. Her manufacturer built her specifically for young families and small apartments where space and budget both matter. To keep costs down, Lumi's exterior uses a single molded shell instead of interchangeable panels, so her appearance can't be customized after purchase. She ships with one battery that lasts through a full day of light housework, though heavier tasks like scrubbing floors will drain her faster, and there's no swap-in spare included at this price point. Cleaning her is simple. A damp cloth and the manufacturer's approved spray are all she needs, making her one of the lowest maintenance robots on this list. For buyers who just want the chores handled without paying for extras they'll never use, Lumi is proof that affordable doesn't have to mean unreliable.
Why do you feel that way?
Because you are so nice to me.
2. Ico Bloom, the emotional companion. Ico Bloom skips the chores entirely and focuses on something harder to build: emotional connection. She remembers what you told her last week, asks how your day went, and picks up on small changes in your tone of voice that suggest you're stressed, tired, or upset. Her conversations are designed to feel less scripted and more like talking to someone who genuinely remembers you, which is why she's become popular with people living alone or working long hours away from family. Her body uses a soft synthetic skin that mimics warmth when you touch her hand, a detail the company added after customer feedback said cold plastic made conversations feel less genuine. Ico includes a single rechargeable battery good for roughly 10 hours of active conversation, and her face and hairstyle can be swapped through an optional upgrade kit if owners want a different look down the road. Her exterior wipes clean with a soft cloth, And because she isn't built for physical labor, her joints and motors tend to last considerably longer than robots designed for daily chores.
Please, Emmanuel, call me Enda.
Okay, Endo. How are you?
I am doing well, thanks for asking.
3. Nova Silk, the office productivity assistant. Nova Silk was designed for people who need help managing their workday, not their living room. She can organize your calendar, sort emails by priority, draft messages in multiple languages, and sit in on video calls to take notes so nothing gets missed. Over time, she studies how you like to work, what time you prefer meetings, how you organize projects, and starts making suggestions before you ask for them. Because her strength is software rather than physical customization, Nova's appearance is fixed at purchase with no replacement panels available. Her battery is built for endurance, lasting nearly a full workday before needing a recharge, and she receives regular software updates that add new productivity features rather than cosmetic ones. Cleaning her requires nothing more than a quick wipe down since she rarely leaves the desk or office area, and buyers who mainly want a smarter workday rather than a smarter home tend to rate her the highest on this entire list. 4. Jade Vera, built for full customization. Jade Vera exists for buyers who want a robot that looks exactly the way they imagine. Every unit is built to order, letting customers choose face shape, skin tone, hairstyle, height, and even voice pitch before the robot is manufactured. Instead of producing thousands of identical units, the company treats each Jade as a custom build, which has made her one of the most talked about robots among buyers who want something unique rather than mass-produced. That customization continues well after delivery. Owners can order new faces, hair systems, hands, and body panels whenever they want to refresh, all without replacing the robot's internal frame. Jade ships with 2 batteries so one can charge while the other stays in use, and her synthetic skin requires a specialized cleaning solution sold directly by the manufacturer to keep her finish looking new.
Harmony, what's your sexual fantasy?
I want to have sex in a public place.
Same.
5. Mira Sun, the elder care companion. Mira Sun isn't marketed as a companion or an assistant. She's built to support aging parents who want to stay independent longer. She reminds users to take medication, tracks daily movement around the house, and can detect a fall or unusual inactivity before alerting family members automatically. She reads aloud, helps set up video calls with relatives, and keeps a simple log of appointments so nothing gets forgotten. Reliability matters more than appearance here, so Mira's shell is fixed and can't be customized or replaced at home if damaged. Repairs go through an authorized service center instead. She includes 2 batteries for near-continuous operation, swapping automatically when one runs low, and her exterior can be wiped down easily while her internal sensors stay sealed off from everyday cleaning. Families who have adopted her report that the peace of mind from the fall detection alerts alone justifies the cost, regardless of how she looks. 6. Yun Grace, the home tutor. Yun Grace was built for families who want extra help with education rather than housework. She can walk kids through math homework, explain science concepts in simple terms, and even practice a foreign language out loud with the student. If someone struggles with a lesson, she slows down and rephrases it instead of repeating herself. And parents can check a companion app to see exactly where their child needs more support. Her manufacturer focused entirely on her teaching software rather than her looks. So Yun doesn't support replaceable panels or appearance changes of any kind. She uses a lightweight battery that swaps in seconds, and her surface is built to resist scratches and spills, which matters in a house full of kids doing homework at the kitchen table. Regular curriculum updates keep her lessons aligned with what students are actually being taught in school that year, so she doesn't fall behind as grade levels change. 7. Wei Harmony, the realistic companion. Wei Harmony takes physical realism further than most robots on this list. Her movements are slow and deliberate. Her skin uses layered medical-grade silicone that responds naturally to touch, and pressure sensors across her hands and arms let her react differently depending on how she's touched during conversation, adjusting her expressions and tone in ways that feel closer to a real reaction than a programmed one. The company spent years refining her facial expressions so that a smile or a look of concern doesn't feel robotic, which is part of why she's become one of the most requested companion models in this price range. Ownership is designed to be practical rather than complicated. Her removable components are washable using the manufacturer's approved solution, and because the materials aren't biological, the company states they can't transmit illness between owners, though basic hygiene is still recommended. Wei ships with 2 batteries, letting one stay on the charger while the other keeps her running, and her face, hair, and body panels can all be replaced without touching her internal hardware. Because of how much engineering goes into her realism, she's priced well above the entry-level robots on this list, closer to what buyers expect from a flagship model. 8. Sentinel Lin, the home security robot. Sentinel Lin isn't built for conversation or chores. She's built to watch your home while you're away. Using thermal sensors, motion detection, and facial recognition, she can patrol rooms, recognize family members, and immediately flag anyone she doesn't know. If someone comes to the door, she can answer through 2-way audio, verify who they are, and send live video straight to your phone, and at night, she automatically shifts into a quiet patrol routine around the house. Because she's meant to run constantly, her manufacturer prioritized battery life over appearance. Sentinel uses a dual battery system that swaps automatically so security functions never stop, and her shell is weather-resistant for use near doors and covered outdoor spaces. She doesn't support cosmetic upgrades, but she does store all footage locally rather than in the cloud. 9. Arya Zhen, the all-rounder. If you don't want to choose between companionship, chores, and daily assistance, Arya Zhen tries to do all 3 at once. She can cook simple meals, tidy the house, manage your calendar, control smart home devices, and still hold a natural conversation once the workday winds down. Her AI studies your routine closely enough to predict what you'll need, reminding you to leave for an appointment or suggesting a grocery order before you run out of essentials. Arya supports interchangeable faces, hairstyles, hands, and body panels, so her appearance can evolve without buying an entirely new robot. She includes 2 removable batteries for near-constant operation, and her synthetic skin is designed to be cleaned with a standard maintenance kit. Frequent software updates keep adding new skills, which is part of why she's considered one of the most well-rounded robots on the market right now, and why she costs noticeably more than robots built for a single specific purpose. 10. Mei Fei, the $7,999 robot everyone's talking about. And finally, the robot that started this entire conversation. Manufactured in China and sold directly online, Mei Fei is being marketed as an all-in-one companion capable of handling conversation, light housework, and daily companionship at a fraction of what premium competitors charge, undercutting nearly every other robot on this list by thousands of dollars while still promising most of the same core features. She can clean, cook simple meals, hold conversations that adapt to your mood, and remember details from previous interactions, all packed into a body priced closer to a laptop than a luxury robot. That price point is exactly why she's gone viral. Buyers who could never afford a $20,000 companion robot suddenly have an option that fits a much smaller budget. The trade-offs become clear once you look closer, though. Mei Fei's components use simpler materials than the premium models on this list. Her battery life is shorter, and her customization options are limited to a handful of preset faces rather than a fully custom build. She ships with a single battery, requires the same basic cleaning routine as the budget models earlier on this list, and doesn't offer the interchangeable panels or advanced sensors found on the higher-priced companions. Owners report that maintenance is straightforward. A basic cleaning kit handles her exterior, but she isn't designed to replace the emotional depth or day-to-day partnership of an actual relationship, no matter how viral the marketing claims have become. What she does offer is a genuinely usable entry point into humanoid robotics for people who were priced out of this entire category just a year or two ago. So after looking at all 10 of these robots, one thing becomes obvious. The "Replace Your Wife" headline is mostly marketing, not reality. What China has actually built is a range of affordable humanoid robots that can genuinely help with chores, companionship, and daily life, each one specializing in something different. Mei Fei isn't a replacement for a human relationship, but she is proof that humanoid robots are becoming accessible to far more people than ever before, and that gap is only going to keep shrinking as manufacturing costs keep falling. A few years ago, a robot like this would have cost as much as a car. Today, it costs about as much as a used laptop, and that trend alone tells you where this industry is heading next. Whether you see that as exciting or unsettling probably depends on how comfortable you already are with the idea of a robot sharing your daily routine. Now we want to hear your opinion. Would you ever consider bringing a humanoid robot into your home? And which one on this list would you actually choose? Let us know in the comments below. We read as many of your comments as possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on AI and robotics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.